Pakistan has to tread that path of going into industrialization, i.e., enhancing our manufacturing base. The previous decade actually saw a reduction in our manufacturing base from 14% of GDP to 13%. Now we are trying to target our GDP manufacturing base ratio to be 25%. And let me also be very candid and honest here. No economies have grown primarily on agri-productivity. Today, US, the largest economy in the world, has 2% of its share of GDP in terms of agriculture or agri-productivity. Yes, those are our short-term benefits which we should harness. So how do we enhance agri-productivity? That again is a function of what nutrients we give. So while we are putting together the short-term sectors which need government fiscal, tariff, energy, and credit directions, is one of it is fertilizer. If you look at Pakistan, our economy, although our productivity of the economy might have not gone as desired, but our reproductivity is fairly going beyond our desires. So today our food security challenges are there. 5 million people every year, more mouths to feed. You will never attain that food security unless you balance your fertilizer nutrients. So DAP is the urea, nitrogen versus ammonia. So we were totally focused on a urea-driven fertilizer policy. So we are working on a more balanced nutrient fertilizer policy, and that should be unveiled within. It's part of this overall industrial policy, but these are the sectors in which we think we're going to categorize as short-term or low-hanging fruits.